Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll see sample paper of B1 Sprechen exam. Okay, Sprechen is obviously speaking. So we'll see that particular module, Sprechen module from B1 Goethe exam. So actually, basically there are three tasks to solve it, and we'll see one by one what are the tasks and how to speak in that. Okay, so I will share one screen, then you will be able to know what is expression and what are the tasks there. Okay, so now this B1 expression, as I say, there are three tasks, and what are they? We will see, just see now. And the rules are the same, like approximately you will get 15 minutes time for this full module, expression module. Then there are three tasks, and in second task, actually, there will be A as well as B part. So either you can choose A or B. Okay, and on that particular topic, then you will have to speak. So that is or question, second one, and others first and third are mandatory, compulsory. Second is also mandatory, only you can choose between A or B. Okay, so the same thing again, and the mobile phones and dictionaries are not allowed in the real exam, and you have to speak freely in the exam. Okay, so first we'll see first task, that is Aufgabe. Gemeinsam etwas planen, meaning plan something together. Okay, this is the heading of the task. Now, in this task, basically, they have written, they have given you one theme, you can say. Ein Teilnehmer aus dem Deutschkurs hatte einen Unfall und liegt im Krankenhaus. Meaning, one of the participants from your German course, he had an accident and he is in the hospital. Diese Woche möchten Sie ihn besuchen und ein Geschenk von der ganzen Gruppe mitbringen. Meaning this week you would like to visit him and take some gift, bring some gift for him from the whole group. Okay, from your whole German course group. Nächste Woche kann das Krankenhaus verlassen. Next week he will be able to leave the hospital. Da allein lebt, wird Hilfe brauchen. Since he stays alone, he will need help. Okay, this is the summary of this. Now, what is the task that we are going to see? Sprechen Sie über die Punkte unten, machen Sie Vorschläge und reagieren Sie auf die Vorschläge. Now here, what you have to do, you have to cover all these points and you have to talk about those. These points are written below, and you have to give your suggestion as well as you can respond to your partner's suggestions. Okay, Ihres Gesprächspartners or Gesprächspartnerin, right? So you can take feedback from them, and accordingly you can decide. Planen und entscheiden Sie gemeinsam, was Sie tun möchten. So plan together what you can do for it, right? This is the actual thing. Now there are points given. Besuch im Krankenhaus und Hilfe planen. So basically what you have to do, you have to visit this Krankenhaus's hospital und Hilfe planen and assistance. Okay, plan for the assistance, plan for the help. Then these are the points. One, besuchen, when to visit, Tag, Uhrzeit, meaning day, time. Then wie hinkommen, how to go there. Was mitnehmen, what to take with you. Then wie kann man helfen, how can you help? Like vom Krankenhaus abholen, then einkaufen, meaning pick up from the hospital, then shopping. That whole thing you will have to decide. You will have to plan it together, okay, as a group. So this is the first task basically. So you will have to speak on this theme basically. Now second one is ein Thema präsentieren, meaning you have to do some presentation on some topic. Okay, clear? So this is 2A. In this case, there will be a choice. Either you can choose 2A or 2B. Okay. So one theme you can choose in between these two, and you will have to talk. Now, in this case, there is one topic given to you. Now, in this case here, brauchen Kinder mobile telephone, meaning do children need mobile phones, cell phones? This is the basically this is theme, and here it's written Papa, ich will ein Handy, meaning Dad, I want one cell phone. So this is the actual theme, current topic, and you will have to talk on this topic. Then on the left hand side, there is some information given to you. Okay, that introduce your topic, and then what is your structure of your presentation. That you will have to cover all those points. Then there will be 5 slides actually, basically in total. So this is the first one. Then in second one, you will have to talk about meine persönlichen Erfahrung, meaning you will have to tell your personal experiences about this thing. Okay, in this situation, what is your experience, or what is your, you can say, opinion. Okay, that you will have to give it here. Then in third case, broken again the same theme, and die Rolle von Handys in meinem Heimland. Then you will have to explain the situation about your home country. Heimland meaning home country. Okay, so here on the left hand side, the information is given. With examples, you will have to speak on that point. Then the next one is Brauchen Kinder Mobile Telephone, same theme. For und Nachteile. You will have to give advantages as well as disadvantages with examples. Okay, and obviously your opinion on that, so whether they should have phones or no. So this is the theme here, topic. Then brauchen Kinder Mobiltelefone Abschluss und Dank. Meaning here you will have to close the topic, close your presentation, and thank the audience. Okay. So this is the second task. Now in this case, same thing, or is there. So 2B is there. Again, one topic is given to you. Here, Zen Kinder zu viel fan. Do children watch too much of TV? Okay, that is the theme here given. So you can choose either of these two, and then accordingly you can speak on that. Right? The same slides will be there, only the topic, the main theme will be different. Then same thing, meine persönlichen Erfahrung, and then so on. Again, the same statements will be there. Okay, so these are the this is the second task. So you can choose in between A and B. And now we'll see what is the third one. So third task is über ein Thema sprechen, meaning now this task is based upon the second one. Okay, whatever topic you have chosen, you will have to talk on that topic. Okay, so you will have to answer to the examiners as well as interviewers, then take feedback from them, and accordingly, whatever questions they will ask, you will have to answer those questions. Okay, so it is based on the second task. Now, in this case, the second part will be in the third task, same task. After your partner's presentation, you will have to give feedback to your partner. Okay, so how you find it, and then his or her presentation, what is new, what is interesting. So this is the thing actually. After your presentation, interviewers will ask you, examiners will ask you questions or feedback they will give, and you will have to give feedback, or you can ask questions to your partner. That is the thing. So this is a partner based activity, the third task is. So this is all about this is Sprechen section of Goethe B1 exam. So I hope this is clear with you. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel, like and share. Thank you and bye-bye.